Naalala ko yung aking mga lolo at lola, pag sila'y nakakita ng isang nakapag-graduate tulad ninyo, ang kanilang sinasabi ay edukado, isang edukadong Pilipino. Yan na siguro ang pinakamataas na parangal na mabibigay natin sa ating kultura dahil sa ating kultura, sa ating lipunan, yung pagiging edukado ay talagang pinapahalaga. And that is why today is such a momentous day for all of you. Congratulations to our friends. Of course, congratulations din sa ating mga magulang, mga kamag-anak na nandito ngayon, mga nagsakripisyo. Maaari ang iba sa kanila kinailangan maging OFW, nagtrabaho sa Middle East o sa ibang bansa para lamang makatulong sa pagbayad ng tuition. May mga kapatid tayo na itinigil yung kanilang pag-aaral para lamang makapagpatuloy tayo sa ating pag-aaral. Maaari ng ating mga kamag-anak na naandito ngayon ay nagsakripisyo, nagbenta ng lupa, nagbenta ng kalabaw, o ano pang ari-arian, para lamang makapagpatuloy tayo sa ngayon. You did not come here by yourselves. Even if it was you and your hard work and your sacrifice that made you pass all of your courses, it took your whole family, it took everyone that cared for you and that loved you to bring you to where you are today. So let's give all of them a round of applause. I want you to know, my dear graduates, even as we are celebrating your commencement today, there is only one thought in the minds of your parents. Sana wag muna mag-asawa itong anak ko. Baka yung mga katabi nila, mga boyfriend, girlfriend na nila. Kidding aside, today is a special day because you join the ranks of a very, very few, of a small elite in our country. That elite which is known as an educated Filipino. Out of every 100 that started grade 1 with you, only 66 finished elementary. Of those 66 who finished elementary, only 44 finished high school. So you see, by the time high school is over, more than half of those who started grade 1 with you, wala na sa formal school system natin. Nalampasan po ninyo itong mga hamon na ito. And of those 44 who finished high school, only 18 come to a day such as today na nakasuot sila ng toga, may cap, may gown, at makakapag-graduate with a degree that unlocks a whole world of future for each of them. This degree is your passport to a better life. This degree is the great equalizer that everyone aspires to, dreams of. This degree is why your parents sacrificed, your siblings, brothers and sisters likewise sacrificed, and whether you know it or not, it's the reason also that you have been sacrificing and you are here just so that you could have this passport to a better life. It is indeed a great accomplishment. But with that accomplishment also comes a great responsibility. Naalala ko si Peter Parker. Ano ba sinabi niya? With great power comes great responsibility. Para kayong mga Spider-Man at woman. You have great power. This degree confers upon you, tulad ng sinabi kanina, all the rights and privileges and honors that come before someone who is an educated, who is an accomplished person. And with that comes the great responsibility. Responsibility for yourselves, for your parents, and baka nakalimutan ninyo, kung 18 lamang sa bawat 100 na nagsimula sa kanilang pag-aaral ang makakarating sa isang araw tulad nito, eh, kayo po yung 18 na yun. Yung 82, hindi po makakarating sa araw at tulad nito. So your responsibility extends beyond yourself onto your families, your communities, and for all other Filipinos who are a part of our nation. That is the responsibility.